Welcome to Nagarhole Tiger Reserve.
We just have seen the prettiest tiger of this Kabini.
There used to be a leopard.
अब ये टाइगर तो प्लेफुल मोड से हंटिंग मोड पे कन्वर्ट हो रहा है।
Hello all, welcome to Clifton. I'm Dikmala.
I'm Kenny.
And behind the camera there is Srivash, and we are welcoming you to our new episode on Jungles of India. And right now we are about to start our safari at Kabini. And in this video we'll show you our safari experience at Kabini, afternoon safari experience. तो वो safari शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले how are you guys?
Hello.
Very good. That's what we all want. तो चलिए सफारी पे चलते हैं.
So बैठ गए जिप्सी में. Here is Dikmala and there is Tinni. Tinni is a little lost because he is sleepy. Okay, so खबर अच्छी है. In the morning also 2 sighting हुआ है. अभी देखते हैं. This time we'll definitely have something.
This is a shared safari. So it is almost 2,500 per person. So if you have a full gang to get the entire jeep, you are lucky. If not, then you have to go for a shared safari क्योंकि full gypsy booking यहाँ पे नहीं होता है. And this is organized by JLR. तो आपके पास 2 ऑप्शन है. एक है बहुत कॉस्टली ऑप्शन, आप जेलर पे रह के ये सफरी अवेल करो. इफ़ यू वांट टू यू कैन. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट एंड वी हैव आवर अर्लियर वीडियो where we have the 10-5 stay. We have shown you that. You can check out that. If you want to stay JLR and go for the safari and you want to know the experience, you can check out that video. Or else, like इस बार जैसे हम लोग कर रहे हैं, बाहर कहीं रुक रहे हैं and इधर आके you can also offer the safari.
चलो, this is Nagarhole.
So we just have entered the gate and we have stopped here to get the permit. It is a 3 hours of safari, 3 to 6 p.m. Based on our experience, the most beautiful side of this Kabini is the river side, where you can see the different layers and different type of animals in the same frame. So that's the most beautiful one. But this jungle is also very beautiful. So चलिए देखते हैं.
Welcome to Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. I'm Vinod. I'll be your naturalist for today. And this is Mr. Anil. He'll be driving us. He's been in the park for the past 18 years now. Yeah, he's been driving for the past 18 years. So we've already entered the Tiger Reserve. This road that you see right now, this is the state highway to Kerala. About 18 to 20 kilometers from here, we'll be reaching the Kerala border. This is the same state highway divides the park into 2 zones, Zone A and Zone B. Alright, so today we have access to Zone A. Whatever you see on your left and right hand side is all Zone B. Alright, about 2 kilometers from here, we'll be reaching Zone A. This whole park is about 843 square kilometers, but we have access to only 60 square kilometers. Alright, and in this 843 square kilometers, we have somewhere around 145 plus tigers. Alright. In Zone A, we have somewhere around 6 to 7 different tiger individuals. Alright.
Which of the tigers are there and cubs are there?
In Zone A, we have this female called Magge female.
Magge,
She's
yeah.
got about 2 cubs, which are somewhere around 9 to 10 months old.
Subadult.
Then we also have a few subadults. So we don't usually count them because they're not in the same area. That's the time where they, leave the family and they go finding their own territories. So we don't add them. Other than that, we have 2 other dominant females called TT female, also called Tiger Tank female.
Yeah.
And then we have another female called as Balle female.
So morning TT female.
No, last evening they've seen TT.
Like after this conflict happened, there was some ban, right?
Right.
So a lot of tigers, like 3-4 tigers have been transferred from here.
I think somewhere about 16-17 tigers were transferred
Oh my god.
in total.
But does that impact any sighting?
None of them were picked up from the park. These were all tigers that were in the villages. So it was none of our tigers. And this incident actually happened somewhere around 60 to 70 kilometers from here, not in Nagarhole.
In the Nugu side or where?
After Nugu. towards Bandipur, somewhere in Gundalpet taluk.
Yeah, that's very important for people to know because tiger has been picked up from here.
There is no relationship between safaris and what has happened over there. The incident that happened in the village, there is nothing to do with safaris.
Tusker, it's a big tusker. That's in the boro tusker.
Same like the elephant, the male he comes into the otherwise they live a solitary life. The female they live in a herd. This is the female. They might be scattered around. Sometimes happen.
Trunk of an elephant, right? Trunk of an elephant. It's made up of 40,000 muscles. A small seed also, that's how.
We have a big tusker and a small turtle.
Mongoose.
I didn't.
She did it. We saw mongoose also. She was sleeping there.
You know the scavenger of carcasses.
That's a wild Brahma. It's opening its face.
Quite fresh. ফ্রেশই দিই কারণ এর উপর দিয়ে গাড়ি যায়নি অ্যাটলিস্ট।
फ्रेश पगमग देखने के बाद हमारे टाइगर देखने का उम्मीद तो बहुत ही बढ़ गया था। जब हम टाइगर को ढूंढ रहे थे तो कबिनी हैड सम अदर प्लान फॉर अस एंड सी हु ऑल केम अराउंड। Can you go a little front?
They might move away, but
ಬೇಗ ಒಣಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. There's a 4 here.
হ্যাঁ এই তো জলে বসে সামনে এই যে ডালটা, এই যে গাছের ডালটা তার পাশে দেখেছিস মাটিতে বসে
ক্যামেরা দেখ।
এই যে
আমি দেখছি
ইটস আ বার্থডে ট্রিট তেমনি। While we were mesmerized by this beautiful sighting of tiger tank female tigress, we initially thought it's playing in the water, but suddenly it changed her movement. और जब हमने मुड़ के देखा तो देवर हार्ड ऑफ डियर्स, वो भी बहुत अलर्ट थे। एंड ये जो मोमेंट है ना, सडनली टाइगर प्लेफुल मोड से एक हंटिंग मोड पे कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, ये पूरे जंगल में एक अलग इंटेंसिटी क्रिएट कर रहा था।
তিনি
taking photo.
हमें लग रहा है ये टाइगर अभी थोड़ा कंफ्यूज है, इसे पानी में रहना भी है लेकिन डियर देख के ये रुक भी नहीं पा रहा है।
Amazing. It's coming up now. और बिना तिन्नी एक्टिंग Amazing. Acting. Now this tiger has started moving towards us. And हमारे साथ साथ ये डियर भी अभी सुपर अलर्ट हो गए हैं. अब हमें लग रहा है कि ये अपना मूड चेंज कर चुकी है एंड हंटिंग शायद ये नहीं करेगी. सो फॉर द टाइम बिंग एवरीवन इज सेफ. पीछे सेट कर दो. बस अभी করছি. What a scene.
We just have seen the prettiest tiger of this Kavini, and it's named Tiger Tang female. It's almost 11 years old, 2015 born. बहुत ही लकी था. लास्ट 15 मिनट्स का साइटिंग मिला. शुरू से जंगल बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, बहुत सारा साइटिंग आपने देख लिया, बट टाइगर नहीं मिल रहा था. मन थोड़ा तो ये था. फिर हम लोग को वाटर बॉडी में आए तो हम लोग को पहले लगा कि सिर्फ टस्कर है, फिर पिकॉक दिखा, फिर जाके ये टाइग्रेस पानी में दिखा, एंड इट वॉज हर बर्थडे गिफ्ट. सो इट वॉज अ सुपर साइटिंग. बहुत नॉट हैप्पी. उसको और देखना था, क्यों हम लोग निकल आ गए. सो शी इज़ नॉट हैप्पी. And with this beautiful safari, we are ending this video here, and we'll come back on next Tuesday with another episode on this beautiful India. But जाने से पहले, you guys please do comment video आप लोग को कैसा लगा. अगर if you are new to our channel, then subscribe, click a bell, share this video with your friends or families, and again please do comment. Your comments means a lot to us, right? Cindy loves to read those comments. And इसके साथ साथ I'm Deepmala.
I'm Penny.
And behind the camera there is Srivash, and we are signing off for now. Stay safe.
Be happy and travel
Travel more.
more. Ta-na.